Today we are going to complete page number 5 from Vikas Scrapbook class 4th. Actually we have a page number required for this 3 and 4. With the help of these two pages we are going to solve on page number 5. As you can see, we have to cut that page after coloring, and on back side one drawing is there of scenery. This also we have to cut with the scissor afterwards, and that page we are going to stick on page number 5. Now for this you can see there is a color is given, color name is given like green, light blue, light green, blue. Like this there are 4 colors. We have to repeat again and again downside and that sequence. Here I am going to paint with the green color now. When you painting any part, make that sure you have to paint outline first and then inside. If you want to do here pencil color, you can use pencil color also, unless poster color, but here I am using with pastel, oil pastel. Like this I am going to paint. You can follow these steps to all strips. Those lines are given there. One by one I am going to paint with this color. If you take one color, see that where is that name is there or that color is there. You have to repeat it again at downside. Like this. I am going to complete this page one by one. Those colors are indicated there. Like this. Make that sure you have to use color properly. If any white part is remain, you have to overlap it again. Do it properly. Like this. Now our green color work is almost finished now. Now I am going to take blue color. As you can see there is a 2 blue is there. One is a dark and the second one is light blue. Here I am taking a first light blue. You can take cobalt blue, light blue also. Now I am going to paint this color where is name is written there on downside. Every color repeat then twice and thrice time. Like this, with outline first, then inside. Paint with this sequence. Now I am going to take light green color. Like this I am going to paint. Afterwards we are going to make it smooth. You know that how to make smooth. Last video I told you. Here I am going to use one napkin. You can use cotton also to make smooth, unless you can know that with the oil pastel one tool is coming. With the help of that tool also you can make it smooth and plain. If you using oil pastel, that time you have to use that tool. Now downside also. Light green color is there. I am going to paint with this. Now I am taking a blue color. Before cutting that paper, make that sure you have to paint first, then separate the page from book and then cut it. When you cutting that page, make that sure you have to take some distance, because you can see that the both pages are attached. If you cut that page, the last page also will remove. That's why we have to keep some distance and then cut the page from book. You can see there is a drawing is given of Caesar on that page. On that you have to leave some space to cut the page. Now our color is almost finished now. Now I'm going to make smooth with this cloth. When you making that, make that sure you have to repeat one color on that only. Don't mix two color together. Like this I'm going to do. If any white part is remain, that time also it's work properly. It will be paint automatically like this. Now our coloring work is now finished. Now I'm going to cut from back side. You can see one scenery drawing is there. There are some grass, tree and sun and house shade. Only outline part is there, but you can cut it properly. Take a small scissor to cut, but I am able to cut with big scissor. If any sharp corner is there, you can use cutter also there, but if you not able to cut with cutter, take your pants help to cut it. Now I am going to cut these all one by one. Try to cut sharp, those lines are indicated there like this. I am going to forward video now. Keep aside that circle part. Now our cutting is almost done, only few parts is remain. When you cutting that papers, cut it carefully. Sometime if you are not able to cut properly, you can cut three alone and then after also you can stick it one by one. Also you can cut. You use small scissor to cut sharp. Okay, now after cutting it's look like this. Now on page number 5 we have one empty page is there, but before sticking that we want to use orange color wash is there. If you have a orange color poster color, you can use that also, but here I am using a watercolor and a flat brush to give wash. Afterwards I am going to explain how to give wash, but here just give orange color and give wash. When we started watercolor series, that time I am going to explain. Actually this paper is a regular A4 size paper. Sometime it will be not able to do on it properly. You can use on your book. This is the page is really good to give watercolor also on it. After giving wash, you have to wait for few minutes. When it will be dry properly, that time we are going to stick that scenery on it. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to keep this for few minutes like this only. If you want to make shade, you can make on it. Now after it dry, I'm going to stick that cut out of scenery on it. Apply Fevicol or glue properly for each and every corner. If you want to spread, you can spread with hand also or your finger. When you sticking that, see that on from downside line is there. On that line you can start to stick it properly. Press from back side also. Now you can see it's look like a beautiful. Now I'm going to stick the sun. Apply glue, spread with your fingers and stick on it. After sticking, it look like a beautiful now. Now from 4th standard this book is there. After completing, it look like this. Today we learn page number 5 from Vikas Scrapbook class 4th. We are going to solve next one.